seafood lovers, welcome back here at Bart's Fish Tales, and in this video it's time for an Italian classic. We're going to make a mussel risotto. First step is cooking the mussels. We will need the meat for the risotto, and the juice coming out is the stock. We're going to add this juice to the fish stock, and we have an excellent stock to prepare the risotto. Okay, first step, mussels. I add like 2 tablespoons of water. Now I have my pan on high heat. Add the mussels. Close it with a lid. And when all mussels are open, we are ready for the next step. So every now and then I give it a stir, but the cooking process it goes so quick. Mussels are cooked, and I drain the mussels and I save this delicious juice. Okay, so here I've got my fish stock, which is around 700 mils, and I'm going to add this juice, which might be around 300, makes 1 liter, and I use 1 liter of stock on 150 grams of risotto rice. Important now is to give the stock a little taste, because the juice coming out of the mussels might be very salty. It's perfect. But don't add any salt. So now I take the mussel meat out of the shells and I discard the shells. So I'm making a full risotto, which means I'm using around 1.5 kilo of mussels in shell. Okay, now we're going to prep the risotto. First step, I'm going to chop a shallot. So I've got my stock warm right here, and here I'm going to have a frying pan on medium to high heat. Add a knob of butter. Okay, add the shallot. So now I add the risotto rice and I give it a good stir. I make sure that all the rice gets a bit shiny. So I've like simmered the shallot for like 2-3 minutes, add the rice, stir it for 1 minute, and then I'm going to add the white wine. So around 1 glass of vino bianco, white wine. So the wine gives a rich flavor. If you don't want to use wine, you could start straight away with the stock. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So when the white wine has reduced, it's time to add a good spoon of stock. And again, this is a mix of fish stock and the juice which came out of the mussels. So every time the rice absorbs the stock, I'm going to add another spoon of stock. So repeat this until the rice is properly cooked, which will take around 20 minutes. But just before the 20 minutes, we're going to add the peas and the mussel meat. So for a nice fresh kick, a few drops of lemon. Add the peas. So the peas gives a nice color, nice crunchiness. And then we add the mussel meat. Some parsley. Add a tiny bit of butter and some black pepper. Time to plate up. And finish it off with a bit of lemon zest. Time for a taste. Nice, creamy, true flavor of the ocean. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them down in the box below. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.